Welcome and thank you for joining me. My name's Kevin and this is the Real Laptop Lifestyle. Now today's video is going to be looking at a great little product for beginners, a great little business. So let's get straight into it because I think you're going to love this. You're about to discover a real goldmine opportunity. No joking, I've been through this and that's why I'm presenting it for you. I look for products that I think will be good for beginners in IM, which they can get on with quickly and get started quickly. And this really is a goldmine opportunity. Excuse me. It's a true work from home business opportunity. Or if it comes to that, you can do this anywhere in the world that you desire. It's so portable. And it's an ideal one for beginners, as I've already mentioned, people with no experience whatsoever. Why? Well, first of all, there are huge profit margins. It costs virtually nothing to get started. There's a minimal startup cost. I'll tell you how much the product costs right now, $17. And you can get started making money with that almost immediately. It's exceptionally easy to run and operate and become established and profitable really quickly. Sounds good. Let's learn more. So why this? Well, the product is called Profit on Demand. And when we go into it in just a moment, you're going to see that's exactly what you can make. A business where there are abundant buyers. That's what we need, not where we're scrabbling and competing with each other. This niche is $72 billion strong every year, and the market is in constant growth. How many billion do you need? The niche works like crazy all the year round. No investment costs required. I mean, literally no investment costs required. You probably have all you need, and when you bought the product, you're in business, start making money. Products often sell for as much as $30 or $40 each, and they cost you nothing to make. It only takes 5 minutes to create a new custom product. Just remember, this is an unlimited evergreen market. Let me show you Profit on Demand. Okay, what I've done here, you're going to get through to this page in just a moment. This is the Profit on Demand page. No need to go out to the post office. Let's talk about what you'll learn inside this premium course. 3 new methods to create outstanding print-on-demand products for weddings and more. How to create the products for free in 5 minutes each. How to price the products correctly. How to start your print-on-demand business on the right foot. How to sell your products on Etsy. Etsy is an online store. I'm not too sure about it. I've never sold on Etsy, so I don't know. But obviously, you're going to learn all about it. How to promote your items to get sales, and much, much more. So what about the super set of benefits? Here we go. You can run this business for free apart from 20p or 20 cents per product published on Etsy. So obviously you can advertise these, and everyone you sell on Etsy, you're going to get charged 20 cents for. And if you're selling with $30 or $40, that's going to be worth it. You don't need to store any products. That's because it's print on demand. You can earn by selling and creating your lifestyle. You can put in your pocket $30 to $40 per product sale. I told you there's a high profit margin on it. It's a business you can run from anywhere while traveling or at the coffee shop. It's a business you can teach your kids and nephews. Now imagine that. You learn it once and you can teach your whole family because it is a really big marketplace. It's wonderful to get up in the morning and see many orders to fulfill. I know what it's like to get up and see you've made loads of sales. It does feel really good. This is a complete step-by-step course. Now, I think it's called Profit on Demand because really you can literally make profits very easily from it. 3 steps to repeat to earn passive income. Learn how to create the 3 products I show you and the name of the 2 people as they tell you. I don't understand that at all, but you will learn. Get paid always using the same method. Truly unique business on planet Earth with nothing for you to pay. So it's reiterated here, you do not have to have anything else. You get everything you need from this course. By the course, you can get started immediately. And there's the course. and they give you one bonus. Now, I've got some bonuses for you, and we'll come to them in just a minute. I've got 8 beauties. Wedding planning simplified. Okay, so you've got everything you need just here. It's going to cost you $17, and you can see that you've got a 14-day money back guarantee. So let me tell you about the bonuses I'm going to offer you. Now, if you click the link directly below the video, it'll bring you through to this page. And here you can listen to the video and get a few more benefits on what's happening. I don't know why it doesn't play it while we're online, but I promise you it works. So captivate your audience, start selling today and building your business base. This is so good for beginners, an ideal business to start off with. So what does it all cost? You already know it costs $17. Excuse me. But there are some OTOs. Now, we're very lucky there are OTOs. What an OTO is in a one-time offer. And OTO 1, so when you purchase this, it says, and would you like to earn more money? Would you like to earn more money? Of course you would. So OTO 1 is $27, and it offers you more products to customize in this huge niche. In other words, it's a way of earning more money. They get you in at $17. They give you all you need to get started. But if you want to go to the next level, they charge $27. I have a friend who's just started a restaurant in the town about 4 or 5 miles from here. And to get started, to get set up, before he even starts to break a profit, he has spent, just to establish his restaurant, £160,000. Don't ask me what his overhead running cost on that is, but it's going to be a lot. You can have a business like this for $17, and you're probably making more profit than him in the first year or the first couple of years. I would certainly go for OTO 1 because it's going to give you a lot more products. OTO 2, this is the collection of previous print-on-demand products. So I think our product producer here doesn't express themselves terribly well, and they have done a lot of this before, so this is even more. Again, you can buy even more products that you can sell. OTO 3, now this is really worth having. This is a webinar recording about the future of print on demand, so you're going to get some enlightenment. So if you consider that for under $200, you get a really big package, but you don't have to buy that all in one go. Just start with a $17 package, get started, see if it's for you. There's a money back guarantee if it isn't. Anyway, now let's have a look at the bonuses I've got for you. Now, to get these bonuses, what you have to do is click through on this link. It will take you through to their sales page. If you buy through this link, you will get all of these bonuses from me gratis. First of all, because I know you're going to want to drive lots and lots of traffic, I'm going to include Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. You may want to explode your YouTube profits and sell this on YouTube as well. Now, this is something I'm doing right now, and this will show you exactly how to do it because there's a lot of money to be made via YouTube. To complement this product, I've got another one for you. It's called Printly. I'm not going to tell you much about it because I don't know. I'm being honest, I don't know, but I do know somebody who uses it, who raves over it and makes their entire income from it. Now, this product, and this product really work together, and they're all about email marketing. Now, the majority of my business is from email marketing. So this is list building on steroids and 2 real email marketing products to get you started. And if you want to drive more traffic to your email list or to your products, I've included 2 Facebook products also. And remember, you get all of these when you click through on this link. All you have to do is purchase on this link. It'll send you back here for your purchase. The green button is the product. The blue button, well, there are my bonuses. So do you have any comments or questions? Because if you do, just fill them in below and I will answer them for you. If you enjoyed the video, click the blue thumbs up button because that gives me some direct feedback, and also consider subscribing to this channel. If you do that, it really helps me. Also, if you click the little bell button, it means I can keep up to date with you. Every time you come to YouTube, it'll tell you when I've done a new video, and you can click through to it directly if you want. That's one way of getting lots of profit generating information. The other way is by joining my email list. Now, I do have an email list called Profit Generating Information, and to get on that list, all you have to do is come to the front of the channel and click on this little globe right on the right hand side. It'll bring you through to this page, and I will keep you up to date with lots of really good information, profit generating information. And if it's not for you, you can unsubscribe at any time and we can still remain friends. Thank you for joining me today. I've really enjoyed making this email for you. So I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.